What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. Today I've got my hands on the brand new MECOOL KM3 Android TV box. Now this is another Android TV box by MECOOL, and this one is also supposed to be Google certified, running the official latest version of Android TV OS. So yeah, I can't wait to see how this one performs. Now this box is running the S905X2 Quad-core CPU with 4 gigs of DDR4 RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. Now you also have dual band Wi-Fi AC with 100 megabyte LAN. You've got Bluetooth 4.1. This is running Android TV OS version 9. This supports 4K HDR at 60 frames per second with HDMI version 2.0. You have 5.1 surround sound. This is supposed to be Google certified and comes with a voice remote control. Now the box itself is made from plastic and you have a shiny reflective finish with the MECOOL logo engraved in silver. Now at the front we have LED lights which breathe different color LEDs. If we keep going, there is nothing on this side. And on the back of the box we have an AV port, a network LAN, HDMI out, power socket, and on the other side we have USB 2, USB 3 and micro SD card slot. So that brings us back to the front. And this is what the bottom of the box looks like. And the bottom section is also made completely from metal with plenty of ventilation to keep the system running cool. Now inside the box you will find a user manual, HDMI cable, a UK power adapter, and the voltage is 5 volts 2A. And this does come with a voice remote control. It looks similar to the Xiaomi box remote, and you do have the Google branding on the voice button. And this remote is powered by 2 AAA batteries. So without further ado, I am now going to get this hooked up to my TV and capture card, and we are going to find out exactly how good this TV box really is. I'll be right back. So first of all, I ran a boot up speed test, and this TV box took 55 seconds to fully load the home screen from a cold start. And here is the home screen for this TV box. This looks exactly like what you see on the NVIDIA Shield TV, and this is Google Android TV OS version 9. So in the top left corner you have your voice search icons, and on the far left you have your settings and local time. Thereafter, the first row of icons are your favorite apps, and you can customize this row to show your favorite apps in the order you want. Now if you click on the apps icon, it will take you to the app drawer showing you all the default apps that I installed on this system as standard, and there are only a few apps to begin with, but you do have access to the Google Play Store, which is the Android TV version, so not the full version, so limited to Android TV apps only. But you can sideload any Android app you like and it works absolutely fine. And the next row of icons are for Google Play Movies, and it will show you the latest titles on what to watch next. You then have a featured section showing you some of the popular apps you can download. And finally at the bottom you have customized channel option where you can rearrange your home screen to suit you and your watching lifestyle. Now let's quickly check out the main settings. Go straight to device preferences and select about. You will see that we are running Android TV OS version 9. Thereafter, if we go to system storage info, this box has 64 gigs of internal storage, from which we have 57 gigs free to use. And in this section there are a few more options for screensaver, location, security, and your reset to default option. Now if we go to advanced settings, over here you will have more options for your display, resolution, HDMI CEC, playback settings, audio output, power key definition, and your picture options. So now we're going to test out the Chromecast, and we've seen that Chromecast never works in these type of boxes. Here's the MECOOL right here. So I got my Mate 20 Pro, I've loaded up a YouTube video, and all we're going to do is click on the cast button, and we're going to select KM3, and that should load it up immediately to that screen. Yep, it's working. Paused it, played it. Today I've got my hands on the brand new Beelink GT1A. Load up another video. This box is supposed to be Google's... What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. So I am happy to say that the MECOOL KM3 supports Chromecast. So now I'm going to play some 4K video samples from a USB drive, and we are going to do this with the Kodi media player, but as it's not installed, let's go ahead and install it and run our 4K playback tests from a USB drive. So moving on now to the YouTube tests, you can stream a maximum of 4K on YouTube.
Superhuman.
Who the hell are you?
Bad guy.
This place looks like home. But it's not.
There's nothing out there, guys.
But now I realize it's a comedy.
So moving on now to the gaming test. So for you advanced users, DRM info shows Google Widevine level 1, and here is CPU Z, where you can check out the clock speeds, and you can see it's running the Mali G31, and this box does not come rooted as standard. And in the Wi-Fi speed test, we got download speeds of 63 and upload speeds of 18 megabits per second. And the top speeds we are currently achieving is between 67 to 70 megabits per second. So that brings us to our benchmarks, beginning with Geekbench multi-score of 2064, and in the AnTuTu benchmark test we achieved a total score of 59k. So let's see how that compares with the others. So here is my top performing Android TV box chart of 2019, showing you the latest TV boxes and seeing how they compare with each other. And as you can see, the new MECOOL KM3 has taken position 3 on this chart with a rating of 9 out of 10. You can view the full versions of all my charts online at chigstech.com and read them at your leisure. So there you have it, guys. That was the new MECOOL KM3. So here are my thoughts on this TV box. This is technically the same box as the KM9 Pro. It will give you more or less the same performance and features, but this box has double the storage space, giving you 64 gigs instead of 32, and it also has a better overall build quality. Now you definitely have official Google certification with Android TV OS version 9. The box is super smooth in operation, Chromecast works great, and Wi-Fi is very fast. You can stream YouTube 4K, Amazon Prime 4K is working via the Aptoide version, and Netflix is working via a workaround at 480p SD quality, and I will leave the links in the description box below to show you how you can do that. Now, Netflix has MECOOL banned at the moment, but as we now have official Google certification, Netflix may lift the ban soon, and if that does happen, I will certainly drop the video. Now, bottom line, this is a great overall TV box. It's a better alternative to the Xiaomi box as it offers a more powerful CPU, better gaming performance, more RAM, more storage, and it's very competitively priced. The box is currently on sale at GearBest for a cheaper price than the KM9 Pro, so do grab it at this price while you can. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.